on these houses in this private property, like mansions right there. And we're driving around here just to get to know the area here in Costa Rica. So look at that. Damn, man, this is amazing. And you also have like cows, right? And they're really happy. That's awesome. And oh my God, guys, look at this. They have like tennis court. Oh my God, guys, this is too beautiful.
It's not a community over there.
Costa Rica, you are amazing. Oh, this is clay courts. Yeah, that doesn't really work for people playing tennis, but I got the houses. So that's Costa Rica, man. It's amazing. It's really amazing. The community, the nature. Yeah, man, this is just too good, for real. It's safe. People are friendly. I don't see crime. I don't see violence. Costa Rica is the bomb. Costa Rica, el pueblo de Costa Rica, mi familia García. Entonces, las personas de Costa Rica, el pueblo, son los mejores, que son muy buena gente. Is that okay for you guys? Is it nice enough for you? Damn, man. Damn. What?
Fitness gym.
Take a look. Fitness gym. It will be. Oh, parking, because that is the fitness. Mar Vista. Look, man, the place has my name, man. It's meant to be. No, it's not Garcia. It's Gracia. Guys, we're here in the resort. Take a look. Infinity pool. It's gorgeous. It's really pretty. Costa Rica is amazing, like for real. It's a great place. The restaurant is awesome. People are polite. Everything's amazing. I just love it. And here we're driving by Patagonia del Mar. That's another beach, and it seems that we have more waves here, which may allow some sort of surfing, maybe. But again, nice infrastructure, beautiful, a lot of options for food and shopping, friendly people. Patagonia del Mar, Costa Rica. Just a little glimpse. Souvenirs, just a supermarket, grocery stores, a little bridge. Just a beautiful, beautiful river down there, just for you to see. A little bit smaller community, but still big. Okay guys, now we are coming to Tamarindo. One of our hosts in the hotel gave us the suggestion, and it's another big, like for real, I'm driving for like 5 minutes and I have infrastructure both sides of the road, like restaurants, pharmacies, boutiques, even like kind of healthcare kind of stuff, souvenir stores, everything. So let's see how it goes, but I'm expecting a lot of infrastructure, nice people, and beautiful. Oh, this one will be probably more like a white sand beach. So that's it. Tamarindo. That is a fruit, by the way, guys. I have a huge lake. Let me see if I can show you. Yes, I can actually. Let's go there and take a look. Parque Nacional Marino Las Baulas, which means it's a national park. Let's take a look. So take a look. Guys, more and more I like Costa Rica. Everything about Costa Rica is nice. So beautiful. So beautiful. You have no clue. Oh, Crocodiles? Wow, that's amazing. Nice. Thank you for letting.
We have a tour.
Oh, there is a tour?
By boat for 2 hours. We see the crocodile in the 5 kilometers.
Awesome. Your English is better than mine.
Little.
Tu inglés es mejor que lo mío. Awesome. Gracias.
You walking?
No, I would just take a picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need a tour. We have an office here.
Gracias. Thank you so much.
Okay.
People here are super nice, super friendly. They have great English. They are, oh, so by the way, they have crocodiles. That is alligators. No, crocodiles, actually. But take a look, how beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? So the ocean right there, here, like estuary, kind of like, man, this is clear water coming right here. How good is this? And then you have the river going straight into the ocean. Guys, Costa Rica es muy rica. I keep saying that, but it's just too good. This country is blessed and the people are the best, like for real. I'm in love. I would live here, like easy, in a blink of an eye, because of the people and the place. Ooh, child. Let me take a picture. The main beach